So I built a Google Analytics assistant, and this is how it works. You basically can ask them, give me all the visitors from the last 30 days from F1 Radio Replay, and give me a content marketing plan I can use to boost my visitors. Now you will see it will go into the Google Analytics property with GoMarble. It doesn't find it right away because it takes the first 5, but then checks it again and it found it. Then it retrieves the data. And you can get this setup for free if you post F1 underneath this post as a comment. So to get all the data, and then it will have the data and makes create a detailed content marketing plan. So here it is. These are all the metrics from the last 30 days, traffic breakdown, even ChatGPT or OpenAI platforms in it. Here's the content plan, where to focus on, which keywords. These are a dedicated page for each Grand Prix. All right, nice. And it basically breaks down the full content plan for you based on your visitors. Leave a comment F1 below and I will send you this setup. So now I'm going to show you how you can set up this assistant. You basically are working with the MCP of GoMarble, because what you need to do is you need to go to the website, then scroll all the way down. You will see GoMarble MCP, right bottom. When you click on that and you click on download, and you fill out this this form, you will come here, and this is the instructions you need to have to implement GoMarble within Claude. So I am using Claude Pro. So what we basically need to do, we need to go to Claude. I'm going to connectors in your settings, add custom connector. I will say, all right, this is GoMarble. Then over here, I will add the URL, and I will say add. Then it will recognize it over here. What you need to do now, you need to connect. So you go to connect. I need to go to another screen real quick. And then you will see this, and you can add integrations. You can add Facebook or Google Ads, or in this instance, we want to add Google Analytics. Connect and authorize. So right now I'm going to authorize it real quick. All right. And right now you will see that it is active. So also what I should do is now click continue. And then it says it will open Claude. All right, let's go to settings real quick, do connectors. And now you see it's active. So basically I have my connection with my Google Analytics right now. And now we can do basically everything we want with the assistant. So now when you are in Claude and you edit the MCP, you go to settings and you will see here that it's connected to everything over here. So it should work. Let's see. Give me the visitors of the past 30 days from my website, f1radioreplay.com. And now it needs to go into the MCP server. Let's see. It goes into Google Analytics. You see several properties. So it takes the first 5 accounts, but it's not there. So, all right, it found the property. Now it will get all the data which is necessary. And over the past 30 days, I have this kind of sessions. Great. Traffic trends. So it gives back all the data. And what I also can do now is I say, give me content recommendations to boost visitors, and create a interactive dashboard to show me. So it has all the data. Now it goes into the Go Marble MCP and into the Google Analytics account again. Get everything that is necessary. Now it will code a dashboard for me, basically. So let's see how this turns out. You know that Claude can code pretty well, so I think the dashboard could be fine. Let's see. There it goes. Finds all the data that is necessary to create it. Also adds race weekend content, live coverage. You also already see some content recommendations here, but let's wait it out. Takes some time, obviously. I think it's done, almost done now. Coding a chart with projections, I see. There it goes. All right, here's my dashboard with all the visitors, every KPI. Even makes a little graph right here on which channels. And here are the recommendations. So it sees that's a Formula One website, so it will recommend creating live coverage of upcoming races, projection of growth when I should do that. So this is a pretty good interactive dashboard right here. So this is how you can add analytics to your Claude. You also can do that with Meta or Google Ads. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.